Went to the food truck today. This is December food truck, and I want to show you what I got. I got a veggie tray. That's going to be my supper. I got grapes. I'll put them in the freezer. I got apples. I'll either can those or put them in the freezer. I got carrots. Big bag of carrots. Looks like might be 5 or 6 pounds worth. I got onions. And I got 10 pounds of potatoes. I also got 4 spaghetti squash, 3 cabbages, a baguette, I think that's what it's called. I'll make some croutons out of that. I got chicken thighs, ground turkey breast, chicken wings, and tenderloins. The ground turkey I'll keep, and the rest will go to my daughter and her family. That's what I got at the food truck today. Thank you for watching.